Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Noack area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Taylor's Noack area, you are likely to have been in a fender bender or worse. Millions of cars zip along the world's roads daily, and inevitably a percentage of these will end up in a crash repair facility, often of the owner's choosing, more often than not the insurance companies. And while most commuter and daily driven cars that end up in a crash will be repaired sufficient. Watch this auto body shop video in Noack. It is a popular reality that you should not attempt to drive your damaged car on the road due to the fact that it can modify your safety and welfare. It is absolutely necessary to take care of your car if it needs repairs due to the fact that if you do this, you ensure yourself that you will reach your destination safely and in one piece. Auto body shops will perform maintenance operations on your car. Finding an excellent auto body shop is not that tough. You can even find a great one in your area. However, if you do not trust their services, you are not forced to stick with them. Great auto body shops can be found on the internet, and you can make the most of that by picking their professional service if you want to repair your car. Auto body repair estimates for Taylor's Noack. Your insurer is likely to know people who can help you with cost price quotes. In fact, it may even have a team of specialists designated to offer crash repair prices. Aside from offering quotes after examining the condition of your car, your insurer may supply you with a list of approved crash repair shops where you can go and make the most of your car insurance to get a better or more affordable price quote. Make certain to abide by the company requirements. Auto body repair insurance providers. A car accident is a really scary experience for any motorist or guest. But the process of restoring your automobile to its previous condition can offer you almost the very same experience. Insurer, mechanics and claim adjusters can be difficult to deal with, specifically if you have really minimal vehicle knowledge. Auto body repair equipment. No matter what sort of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can supply you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While a car garage can always help you with exterior concerns, they also have the expertise to deal with crash repair tasks. Auto body repair techs. No one plans to enter a car accident. It should be a top priority to get the car repaired by a specialist and reliable car mechanic. Make certain that the mechanics who use accident repairs and car services can get your automobile back on the road safely. Auto body repair near me. And to make sure that quality is kept, there are factory monitoring teams that frequently examine these shops along with supply updated details and support when necessary. Only by submitting to a rigid and exacting process can a repair shop ensure an anxious owner that his or her precious car will be restored to its original state, and that its value will be kept. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.